other news that's coming in, an RTI has now revealed that Mumbai's electricity authority, BEST, did not send electricity bills to 4 to 5 months to almost 15 Maharashtra ministers between the months of March to July. In fact, this is in sharp contrast that there has been a row over the same body sending inflated electricity bills to lakhs of Mumbaikars during the same months. The RTI reveals that the electricity bills were not sent to 17 bungalows, which houses 15 ministers of the state. This includes ministers like Dr. Jitendra Rawat, Aditya Thackeray, Dhananjay Munde, Vijay Wadetiwar, Uday Sawant, and also Varsha Gaikwad, among several others.
बिजली आपूर्ति करने वाली बेस्ट ने लॉकडाउन के दौरान आम लोगों को बड़े पैमाने पर बिल भेजे थे और उसकी रकम भी ज्यादा थी, लेकिन यही पेश प्रशासन जब मंत्रियों की बारी आती है तो उन्हें बिल भेजने का कष्ट नहीं करती। सूचना के अधिकार के तहत जब हमने जानकारी मांगी तो पीडब्ल्यूडी के दक्षिण उप विभाग ने हमें जानकारी दी कि लॉकडाउन के कारण कोविड महामारी के चलते बेस्ट ने मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई के बिल उन्हें नहीं भेजे हैं।
नाही आता बिल आले नाही ते इथं तर कंपन्या आहेत निरनिराळ्या त्यांचे वीज आम्ही घेत असतो, त्यामुळे त्या कंपनीला विचारा का बिल पाठवलं नाही।
Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh for further updates on this. Mayuresh, this is going to definitely be a big concern considering there had been a lot of voices being raised as to how Mumbaikars were receiving exorbitant bills, inflated bills at the time of the pandemic. While on the other side, you're looking at these RTI which has revealed for almost 4 to 5 months, 15 of the ministers did not receive any bills. Is there any kind of statement, justification that has come in from the electricity company?
So far, there is no justification coming from the electricity company, but it is very shocking to see that electricity company didn't even send the bills. They are saying they said that they didn't dispatch the bills, whereas normal Mumbaikars got their bills on time, and those bills which they got, they were inflated. And we saw that how Mumbaikars basically really struggled to pay those bills because those bills have come twice or thrice what they usually pay. So certainly it's kind of it's really shocking to see that on one hand Mumbaikars, a common Mumbaikar who is paying his taxes regularly, who is basically contributing for the Mumbai and Mumbai's economy, has got their bills which are inflated, and they still struggle to pay those bills. They still raise their voice, but no one heard them. On second hand, during the same period, the official government bungalows of ministers didn't receive any bill because the same company failed to dispatch those bills. So certainly it's a really not fair. That's what Mumbaikars are saying.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there.